We are fermenting chicken feed. This is 24 hours. It smells yeasty, so we managed to capture some wild yeast, so that's good. I was worried my water would be too chlorinated to actually ferment, but it looks like we're good. So we got 2 more days of fermentation, and then we feed it to the chickens. This makes a lot of the nutrients and trace minerals and vitamins more bioavailable, aids in digestion, and gives them a load of probiotics, which will also cut down on intestinal parasites and stuff like that, and increase their resistance to disease. So, not to mention, you only need about half as much feed if you feed fermented as if you feed dry cedar or crumbles and stuff. What is that, puppy? Yeah. What is that, little boy? Is it gross? Let's see, it's gross for puppies.